Position. Great investment or first home. Conveniently located within a minute's walk of train and bus services, shopping, Dandenong Market, Dandenong Hospital, secondary, primary and tertiary schools, this freestanding large townhouse has absolutely everything going for it. 2 large bedrooms with built-in robes, 3 toilets, double garage and extra parking space. Guess what? There's more to be discovered. Let's go check it out. With a large, open and spacious townhouse sitting on a decent sized land, this will appeal to both first home buyers and investors. Spacious central lounge and dining with updated kitchen. Double garage and extra parking space. Security electric front gate with roller shutters and blinds throughout. 2 large bedrooms with built-in robes. 3 toilets. Separate laundry. Air conditioning to upstairs bedrooms with new wall heating and ducted heating. There's potential to add a 3rd bedroom or study upstairs near the retreat area. Outside, there's a decent sized courtyard, backyard, as well as a well manicured front yard you'll fall in love with. Now don't let this one go. Give me a call 048 0101 966. It's Sam Weerawarna from Yes Real Estate. I'll see you at one of our opens.